Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of resolving issues with the Owlet Dream App not working. Without further delay, let's dive into the solutions. First solution to fix this problem is a update Owlet Dream App to the latest version. To do this, head to the Play Store and search for Owlet Dream App. After that, select the app. If an update is available, you will see an update button next to the app. Tap on it to update the app to the latest version. Once updated, launch the app again. Second solution to fix this problem is disable and enable your internet connection. To resolve this problem, try toggling your internet connection. If you are using mobile data, then turn it off for 5 to 10 seconds. Then switch it back on. For Wi-Fi users, turn off Wi-Fi for the same duration and then turn it back on. Alternatively, activate aeroplane mode for 4 to 5 seconds, then turn it off. After that, check if the issue is resolved. Third solution to fix this problem is force close and restart Owlet Dream App. For that, you just have to open the setting in your mobile phone and then go to App Manager. After that, select the Owlet Dream App from the app list. Then click on Force Stop from the bottom right corner. Confirm by clicking OK and then reopen the app. Fourth solution to fix this problem is clear Owlet Dream App caches. Clearing the app caches can often resolve performance issues. To clear Owlet Dream App caches, go to Phone Setting, open App Manager and then select Owlet Dream App. After that, click on Storage and Caches and finally tap on Clear Caches to clear the app caches. Fifth solution to fix this problem is uninstall and reinstall the Owlet Dream App. If the problem persists, uninstall the Owlet Dream App by going to Play Store, searching for the app and selecting uninstall. Once uninstalled, reinstall the app by clicking on the install button. If none of the above methods work, the issue may be Owlet Dream App server is down. In such cases, you may need to wait for some time and try again later. Thank you for watching our video and we hope these solutions help resolve the Owlet Dream App issue for you.